The following operations are required. First, disconnect the power supply. Second, close the ball valve between the compressor and the air storage tank. Third, check whether the pointer of the pressure gauge of the oil and gas tank is 0. Thirdly, discharge the waste lubricating oil according to the following steps. Open the filling port of the oil and gas tank and the drain valve at the bottom. Drain waste lubricating oil inside the oil and gas tank and close the drain valve. Note that this step will be repeated later. Next, drain the residential oil from the cooler using a chain-type oil filter ridge. Unscrew the old oil filter counterclockwise to drain the residential oil from the cooler. Finally, fill the new oil filter with oil. Apply an appropriate amount of oil to the sealing ring, and then use the belt replacing the connecting pipe. Remove the connecting pipe on the lid of the oil and gas tank, the air pipe from the minimum pressure valve to the radiator, the oil return pipe of the oil separator, and the discharge air pipe of the intake valve. Replacing the oil separator, open the oil and gas tank flange cover. Take out the old oil separator, clean and remove the residential of the flange or cylinder flange gasket. Replace with a new oil separator, and then install all the pipelines back in sequence. Replace the air filter element. Take out the old air filter element and replace it with a new air filter element. Add new oil. Add to the first red line of the highest oil level of the oil level mirror, and then tighten the oil cap. Turn on the power. Open the ball valve between the machine and the gas tank. Reset the